Charlie Alpha 6, Juliet, Quebec, November, 598. Roger, Charlie Alpha 6, Juliet, Quebec, November, you're 598. Thank you for all two, my friend, Victor 26 Bravo. Easy contact, Victor 26 Bravo. Again? Again? Victor 26 Bravo, CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo, Victor 26 Bravo. Kilo Mike 6, Charlie Radio, 598. Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo. Kilo 2, Delta Delta, 598. Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo. Again? Again? CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo. Victoria 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victoria 26 Bravo. Victoria 26 Bravo. WA4, Yankee Bravo 598. Thanks, Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victor 26 Bravo, Victoria 26 Bravo.
There you go, Fred. I kicked in another RF amp and got you an honest 5x9. Yeah, that's... I like to run my RF preamp with just a tickle of noise on the S meter. I get best receiver performance that way. That's my friend Fred. His call sign's Alpha Alpha 3 Romeo. And great guy. He's operating from the Caribbean. I worked him, and that was a lot of fun. Where are you at today? You on 10 meters? Why not? Should be.
Again? Negative, Victor 26 Bravo. CQ contact, Victoria 26 Bravo.
You hit S5 there, Fred. But the antenna's my Michigan cacti, and it's resonant. It's tuned to the CW portion of 10 meters, and I'm operating at 800 kilohertz above where I've got it tuned for. I'm going to switch to the 80 meter end fed, Fred. We'll see what we can do. Hang on. No copy on the 80 meter end fed, and look at the noise.
Yankee Delta. A Whiskey Yellow Papa again. The Papa Uniform 2, Whiskey Alpha Delta.
Sorry, Fred. 5x5 is all you get. Dit. Yeah, but see, we work Fred. We go make us a video today. Yeah, we work Fred. Say, I wish my leg didn't have a boo-boo. Say, come back soon. Love you. Bye, guys. He's a good boy. He's such a good boy. I can't believe I talk like I do on video, Blitzy. Daddy kind of sounds stupid. Bye, guys.
You would see it a sluice, and it's coming up and boiling back out and over itself. I think there'd probably be too much water going over that long.